It's a presentation on ChatGPT uses for teachers by Dr. Kumar Singh, Principal, Brookfield International School, Chandigarh. I request him to please come on stage and share your valuable ideas and expertise, knowledge. So by the time, people, let's just again have a small shairi. Can we do it? Come on, can we do that? So, sir, to always ready. Thank you so much, sir. Baki log haath nahi utha rahe. Come on. If you're ready, can we do that? Come on. So schools में बहुत popular है ये, and when I used to debate in school, I always used to say this. So again, I am going to say the same thing. कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है, कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिसके सपनों में जान होती है. Come on, एक बार वाह वाह तो करिए. कि जो आपने मैम वाह वाह किया है, कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. तो कम ऑन एवरीवन. और वो हौसला अफजाई करने के लिए आप जैसे टीचर्स मौजूद हैं जो हर दिन अपने स्टूडेंट्स का मार्गदर्शन कर रहे हैं, और सपोर्टिंग द चिल्ड्रन टू डू एक्स्ट्रा and exceptionally well in their own fields. So thank you so much to all the teachers and all the mentors and educators we have here. I request Jay sir to please come on stage and take over. He is ready to kick start. And by the time I can see some of the chairs are vacant. Can you all please come at front, the people at the back? Because I think principals doesn't love backbenchers. I'm sorry, don't kill me for that. But I was a backbencher in the school. So backbenchers, please mark your attendance and please be here at the front. Can you all do that for me? Thank you so much.
Awesome afternoon to everyone. This is nothing, few things I would like to show you. And most of you are aware, and I'll show you how ChatGPT is going to make your life very easy. I'm talking about one thing, the kind of prompt you are going to use it. I'm there live and I'll show you the other software also for the language and for other things. And this will make your life very, very comfortable. Being a principal, you can yourself, any subject, you can make a lesson plan in 5 seconds, the way you want it. Only the thing is, the kind of prompt you are going to use it, because ChatGPT is you. If you are going to use it, we are facing only one problem, because ChatGPT is there all over the world. When you are saying maths, so thinking about somewhere in Europe, Australia and all. So what kind of word you have to use it? And I'll show you the live demo, and this is simply mind-blowing. The way till now we have done it, now do it in this way, and this is going to help you. I think you must see in front, and I'm live there. Thank you. This is grade 9 English. I'm having presentation, but I don't take your time. Which one is, generally we are using like this. Now this is the right form. I copy and check this. Behave like a experienced English teacher and prepare a lesson plan of poem 7 Ages by William Shakespeare for class 9th student, teaching it for 2 days, and each day it is 40 minutes period. Also add some classroom activity for student engagement and prompt questions to ask verbally for classroom assessments. Do include learning objective, and at the end the learning question. Also mention the teacher role and action taken. See this thing. You are a teacher in India, you have to understand grade 9 English, behave like a experienced maths teacher in India, grade 10th, with a learning objective, learning outcome. Now we are able to understand. Sometimes we are writing lesson plan, such and such, this thing. You are not going to get it. Whatever you need it, you cannot even imagine. See, I have not done. My subject is Dunia Goal hai, geography. But see this, I'm going for grade 9 English. This is, now you are able to understand, today onward, how are you going to use this? Experience, teacher, subject, India, and learning objective, learning outcome, and 2 days, 40-minute period, including the question, answer, including the activity, everything you got it. And very precise, only for 2 days, not more than 40 minutes. Is it clear? Can we go once again? I'm not touching my subject. I feel I'm too good in my subject, but I'm coming to the language so that you can understand. This is one of the toughest things which I feel, because maths and science, you can get anything, anywhere, everywhere in the world. Now I'll show you. You have to write technique for writing prompt using the following formula: role, context, task, instruction, clarify, and refine. These things you have to take care. Another one of the best software, I think most of you are aware. If anybody is aware, please raise your hand. I'll be really happy to see that. Now see the magic of this. This is an extension in Google Chrome. One of the wonderful, which is, I feel one of the wonderful, and the free of cost. Need not to go for any payment. Just see the magic of this. You know about Chandigarh? Wikipedia, I'm taking it. Fine. You are teaching in the class, you don't have time to prepare it, and then and there you have to prepare a question. Now see, look in front. See, Wikipedia means how much long is there. Fine. How many questions are there? Can anybody do it? I'm talking about go to any website, you can upload the, anything, you know, you will get a good. And the beautiful part is, whenever the principal says taking meeting with the teachers, you know, you have to give pointer. Now look in front what pointers you are getting with one click. What is this? Summary highlight. Will you imagine summary immediately, the complete web page? How's that? This will make anybody, if you have science, if you have maths, if you have English, if you have social science, everywhere, upload it. Go to the website, and if you are teaching, this is wonderful. Another one I'm coming, I think I love this site. Once again, we'll go back to PPT. This, Lingro, I think all of you are aware. No. Now see this will make your life, I can't even tell you how good is that. This is a Chandigarh one. I have opened the Lingro site. And sometime, you know, as an English teacher, as a language teacher, you have to explain a lot of things. Now look in front. I'm going to, any word you just click, what is going to happen? See, what is Punjab? I think net is slow, my phone. Government, Chandigarh, Hindu, popular, impressed, development, anything. Being a language teacher, if you are teaching something, everything is there, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and the sentence, everything is there. And these are all free of cost. Most of the school, I think, we are using IFPD panels, we are using a lot of things, we are using interactive board inside the class. And these things, whatever I'm talking about, these things are all free of cost. They can use it like anything. And the last one list is long, but this is, I think everybody quizzes. This is the difference between the Google form and quizzes is, this is AI based and all. And they knows that if your answer is right, you have taken 30 seconds. Other student, those answer is right, they have taken 10 seconds. This thing, the quizzes means you have done something, you have Googled it, and because of that, your answer is right. This is also one of the best thing I'll show you. And plenty of quiz is already there. You can make it your own. I feel timer is there, everything is there. You can start quiz, you can serve quiz in any of the subject, and this is also free of cost. We don't require it that we have to pay. We don't want to go for a like advanced version and all. So like this, so many things are there. I have shared the few one. I'll get the data from Manmeet sir. I'll send you all details, whatever we have discussed. Thank you very much, all of you. Thanks.
Well, to felicitate Jay sir, I would request to come on stage 𝗍𝗶𝗸𝗲 sir.